Happy Friday, 6th graders! Today we are going to be determining the air temperature of different locations. So we're going to continue the lesson from yesterday. We will start class here with a short little review and then get to work on our assignments. So please make sure that you're in your assigned seat, that you've written down your learning goal, and you are ready to start the day. Today's plan, like I said, is going to be just a little bit of a review from yesterday, and then we're going to get right into our tasks at hand. So for that, you are going to start here where it says start here, lesson 1.2. So start by watching the video and answering all of the questions in the video so that you can get credit for that assignment. And then you can move on to the 1.2, what determines the temperature assignment. And in that assignment, you will have 3 pages to complete, and you should be able to follow the directions on those pages just like in all of your other digital notebooks. When you are done with that, you are going to go on to the 1.2 learning check. For this, you can take it as many times as you want, just like all of our previous ones, except the difference is that you will be able to see which ones you got right and wrong. You will not be able to see the correct answers, but you will be able to see which ones you got right and wrong. If this poses a challenge to you, or if you are having a hard time with it, go ahead and do the review/reteach 1.2 assignment, and then go back and try the learning check again, because that should help you better understand what you are doing and what is expected in that assignment. In Schoology, you should see something that looks like this. This is going to help you go through that digital notebook and get all of the things that you need. So for the simulator activity, you're going to explore the simulator, and if you want some better directions and some videos, go ahead and click here to get the information. This is posted in Schoology. For the vocabulary review, so page number 2, you should use the glossary to complete that, and you can click here to open up that glossary. For activity number 3, you're going to pick one article, and they're actually paper articles. They'll be up on the front table, and so you should pick one of those articles, read the short little paragraph, and then answer the questions in your notebook. And then the learning check is number 4. Again, if you have trouble with the learning check, go ahead and review your materials, do that review/reteach video, and that should help you with that. You will find all of these activities here in the 1.2 what determines the air temperature of a location assignment. And lastly, we have our exit directions. Again, complete all of the activities in the 1.2 folder as best as you can. So start with 1.2 and then move down through them. You can do things out of order within the 1.2 what determines the air temperature of a location assignment. However, I would suggest doing them in the order that they are in, just because it makes the most sense logically to progress through that assignment. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Bye!